Can Arduino work like a simple ohm meter? Today, we'll build a simple resistance meter using Arduino and a 16 by 2 I2C LCD. This beginner-friendly project teaches how resistance measurement works. The circuit uses a voltage divider and a 1000 reference resistor. Arduino reads the analog voltage from the circuit. Then it calculates the resistance value automatically. The LCD displays the result in real time. Now, let's test some resistors. 220 ohm detected. 1000 ohm detected. When no resistor is connected, the LCD shows no resistor. This project works best for resistors between 100 ohms and 1000 ohms.